Today I'm going to show how the latest version of WaterGEMS and WaterCAD make it easier than ever to conduct a Fireflow analysis. As always, you'll first need to set the calculation options to Fireflow and configure the Fireflow alternative to set your Fireflow nodes and constraints. First, let's look at some new helpful user notifications. If the pressure in the system is already below the constraints before any Fireflow is added, a Fireflow run will fail and explain this. This prevents confusion that would occur in older versions where the run continued and results indicated that all Fireflow nodes failed. In this case, we see that a node on the suction side of the pump has an initial low pressure. We don't care about this node, so we're going to use a new feature to exclude this from the pressure constraint check. Let's create a selection set and choose it in the new Nodes to Exclude. Now the Fireflow run is successful. Notice that the calculation summary immediately shows statistics on Fireflow nodes passed and failed and includes buttons to quickly access the Fireflow results browser and flex table. You'll also see a user notification indicating that some nodes have failed and explaining how to investigate. Taking a look at the Fireflow results browser, we can now see an explanation next to the failed nodes. For example, residual failed means the pressure reached the minimum residual before the full needed Fireflow could be achieved. When you open the Fireflow results table, it will now automatically filter to only show nodes within your Fireflow selection set. That way you don't have to manually filter. Also notice the Fireflow status column, which is present by default. If you have upgraded from an older version, you'll need to reset your Fireflow table to factory defaults to see this. As you can see, automated Fireflow is now easier and more intuitive than ever, enabling engineers to conduct Fireflow studies faster than ever. You can find additional information on automated Fireflow in the OpenFlows Community Wiki.